And now, just as a special treat for you, to get you to sleep, bring on the Nightingale of Samarkand.
Who has the Nightingale of Samarkand?
I have to do everything myself.
Oh, Nightingale! Sing!
Stop.
You were brought here to put a live princess to sleep, not wake a dead one. Now let's have a lullaby, Birdie, nice and soft.